Hey guys, what's going on? So we are building a tiny house, and initially I was not going to make any videos on this project, but I've changed my mind. So I figured I would bring everybody up to speed as where we're at in this project. I just put the water line in, have the foundation already poured and ready to build on. I'm going with a pier and beam foundation because I can't get a concrete truck up here to do a traditional footer foundation. This is going to be a 12 by 24 tiny house. This is going to be a permitted on the grid tiny house. So unlike a lot of tiny houses that you see that are off the grid, this I have to go through all the inspection processes, so everything has to be built to code. Okay, I got the floor joists installed, got them squared up, put some blockboard in. Now I'm gonna go back and put hangers on both sides, and then it's time to insulate. Quick update, I got the floor framed out. I went and bought the sheathing and insulation. I'm getting ready to put the insulation in. I have all the hangers in, I have all the brackets in. Now it's putting all the insulation in. Okay, insulation is in. I still have to go down below and put plastic up so it doesn't fall down. Now we're moving on to sheathing. The front and back walls are up. Still have to build the sides. I've been doing time lapses of what we've been building. I forgot to set the camera up on the front wall. Sorry about that. We have to take the back wall and scoot it in because when I was cutting my floor joist, I didn't account for the band board. It's 3 inches too wide. So I'm gonna have to figure that out on the back. It's no big deal. All right, I'm not sure how well this part of the video will turn out. As you can hear, it started raining. It's supposed to rain all week. This is Sunday. About 8:30, we got all the rafters except for one put up. I was one short. And luckily, I had the wherewithal to grab some plastic. We threw plastic over top of it, went down the edges a little bit just to protect the floor and especially the OSB on the side. So this will do it for, I guess, part one. As always, thanks for watching.